Hello guys, so today now we are going to see the custom railing in our Revit software. So for that go to open your Archimate architecture template, right? So now we will open this. Now we will see the units. So here it's in the right? So we'll left with that. Afterwards we can change, right? So go to floor, click on FA. So I have given a command as FA, or else you can go to home here and you can select the floors, right? So we are going to create a simple floor over here. So we have created a floor segment like this, right? Modify. Okay. So it will be finished, right? So now we're going to add a wall over here. Layer, you can select the wall, right? So we're going to take this 300 in generic wall. So finish exterior. Select this one. Up to here, right? So we have selected this, right? So now we will add the stairs, right? Go to stairs. Go to edit. So here we have to go to the monolithic stairs, right? So here we have all the editing options, right? The thread material, rise materials. So we are going the run width with 1200, right? Now we're going to take the run, right? So we'll choose like this. Okay. So go to edit the sketch. So go to 3D. So we have our stage, right? So now we need a floor up here, right? Select this floor, go to copy this, just paste on selected to selected levels, click on level 2 and OK. So but here you can see, like now go to select this, click on edit boundaries. So we have to insert it, pick lines, so we have to pick. So we have to open the face of this. So we have to select this face and the one face. So the last one face. Select one of the sides, right? So now go to split element, split here, now go to trim and extend. We have to trim and extend these joints, right? So after splitting we need to trim, because without splitting it won't be trimmed, right? Select this one and this. So how here we can see it looks right. We will hit the finish. So here we can see. So we will select this floor and we will select this to 300 generic floor, right? So here you can see. So select this, go to edit boundary and go to level 1. So it is inside edge of railing, that. So we have to align to the inside edge of that railing, right? So it should be inside of the railing, right? Go to 3D. So here we can see, right? So we have to edit this. Select this rail. So the pipe, and leave it. Now select this, go to edit path. So now we will go to level 2. Stop like this, right? Add some gap over here. So here we have this. Let me go option to flat. We're going to hit the finish. If you go to 3D, so it will look like this, right? Select this railing, go to the edit type. So here we can also give our types, right? If you have a project, we have to duplicate and we can do that, right? So we will log this, right? So here we can change that, right? So here are the rail profile, right? Control 0. You can adjust the landing right here, right? So you can indicate it. To level 2. Select here. Go to click on baluster placement. Go to none. Select none. None top line. So here you can see that is gone, right? So here we have this. Edit. So here we have all the rectangular. So right. Go to level 2. Select this one. Now here you can see. Select this. Go to edit path. So here edit type. Font. You hit apply, you can change like this. Right? So you go to video, so this is uploading, you go to level 2. So like this, we can change our staircase, right? So if you want to add anything, you can add this, right? So if you want to remove this, you can remove this because it has a wall, right? So go to edit path, go to level 2 or level 1, select up to here, select up to here. Good. Okay. So go to 3D. So like this we can create our staircase, right? If you go to 3D, so here we can see like this, right? This is one type of model we can do in our Revit software. Thank you.